Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O King, I shall in due course explain the measurement of time in its gross and subtle features with the specific symptoms of each, but for the present let me explain unto you the Padma-kalpa. The present duration of a kalpa of Brahma is called the Varaha-kalpa or Shveta-Varaha-kalpa, because the incarnation of the Lord as Varaha took place during the creation of Brahma, who was born on the lotus coming out of the abdomen of Vishnu. Therefore this Varaha-kalpa is also called Padma-kalpa, and this is testified by acharyas like Jiva Goswami, as well as Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, in pursuance of the first commentator, Swami Sridhara. So there is no contradiction between the Varaha and the Padma-kalpa of Brahma.